And Ben Brown in the middle of the course there, 3:2.86 has made a strong lead into the front position.
Brown is Hank McGregor. Hank McGregor is a green shirt there on the far right side, taking initiative, going quite close to wash of Ben Brown.
Oh shit, got with the bad wash.
Hank McGregor is shooting the stand.
Performing behind him because they realise that he can either make it on his own or they're going to have to...
Wusstest du halt gar keine Chance, Ben Brown?
It is Hank McGregor. Watch this now.
Das wundert mich jetzt.
Hank McGregor is really putting a very, very, very high speed. No one can follow. Jose Ramalho will do what he can to follow that, but it's Hank McGregor. That Hank McGregor taking the initiative already in this very, very early stage of this race, just stretching out, using the strength of his body in the quite bumpy waters there. He's just flying. Hank McGregor and Jose Ramalho trying to keep on his wash.
Third place is Matt Petrovic from Hungary.
And
within 2 spots. Petrovic the next group of 3. You've got South Africa, Rubenstein, Ben Brown from Great Britain. Australia.
Yeah, watch Hank McGregor now. It's just keep on going. They can't follow. They just can't follow. Jose Ramalho on the left-hand side, trying to keep the trying to keep but he's just relaxing.
Come Matthias! Randa!
Hank McGregor is really flying. Watch this. It was a decisive course for him. He's one of the very...
Come Matthias! Auf geht's! Auf geht's, Matthias!
Really paid off. It's Hank McGregor, a great South African athlete that has to lead with, I think, 75 meters. Watch him there. It's absolutely amazing. 1.5 lap, and he has already 38 seconds. Is the gap to the 4 behind. These are Ramalho's. Ivan Alonso on his right side, Petrovic on his left, and Manuel Busto on the diamond. Just perfect to form a diamond there. They can help each other if they want. It seems like the speed has been so high, they are really tired. Jose Ramalho has to do most of the work. Now, Main Petrovic is taking over, increasing speed slightly. While Jose Ramalho goes down to the diamond wash, exactly as you should do as an experienced marathon paddler. That they are all of them. Yay! It's time for Africa! Hank McGregor! Big hand! Cheering up! Wonderful athlete! Please cheering the crowd as well. Hank McGregor, South Africa!
carefully, I think, very carefully. You'll notice that Hank's got an overscrew, which is also he's very comfortable with from South Africa. Also an unusual sign in Europe, not many people those, and we've got the next group now.
Hank McGregor has a minute now. He has a gap, 1 minute. And second is Jose Ramalho, May Petrovic, Ivan Alonso, Manuel Busto. This group will work together really hard, try to save strength, and their hope is to have the ability to catch Hank during the last couple of laps. There are still 5 laps to go. They keep staying together. It's absolutely no use to try to split such a group. It's much better to help each other now the best they can.
The next group of 4 over voltage. Got Michael Everett there in that group. Another South African paddler, Ben Brown from Great Britain, Germany, Ben Foley from New Zealand, the yellow boat at the back. So this is going to form another group of 5. So this is the end of the second lap. So that's 2 and 5.
Cheering up now, definitely provided such an athlete. We've got the paddle in order. Come on, Dan! And then Ben Foley from New Zealand. Sean Rubenstein, Ben Brown, and Ben Foley. The total on the right hand side as we're looking is somebody just overtaking in this race, so these are groups of 5 in the front, the 2 back and then 1 and 1.
That is exactly what they were looking for, such an opportunity to split up. But I think May Petrovic will manage to get back to this group. He has the same strong will as his father. Never give up. Keep on going until you get to the top group once again, and then have a good in-sprint. He's an experienced K4 paddler on 1000 meters as well, and have a good opportunity if he's with them in the last quarters, 1 lap from now.
Okay, now we're also for the K2 Women's Juniors. K2 Women's Juniors, Tamara Takat, Rika Hanmasi, Linea Stencil, Sasha Zelda, Vanda Gisli, Sofia Sela-Foros. Please stand by for the prize presentation.
And the able to catch up, flying 4 on top. Hank McGregor, Sean Rubenstein, Ivan Alonso, and Coach Ramalho. 2 former world champions. Ramalho were 4th last year, and bronze medal in Christian.
We've just been joined up in the commentary position by Tim.
No, he has a very good technique getting into the box again. Hank McGregor, even Alonso, Peter Campbell.
¡Vamos, Iván!
Venga, Iván, venga.
¡Venga, Iván, muy bien!
I think
Hank McGregor, watch this.
I was just going to say, I think I won my bet there because it was only 5 at the point.
¡Vamos, Iván!
¡Vamos, Iván!
And on Hank McGregor once again, he shows a lot of technique. Hank McGregor and his initiative now. Peter Jumper, Ivan Alonso and Hank McGregor. He's choosing a very, very straight throw. There, in the middle of the pillars. Just to get rid of his fellow competitors. Of course it's allowed. I don't know if it's the fastest way.
I think it is, Stefan, because I'm sure they've been sussing that out ever since they've been here for the last 2 weeks, so I'm pretty certain they knew that was the case. It's very, very narrow through there, so that was a really good move.
Ya quedó.
No joda.
It is group of 4 now. Group of 4. It is Hank McGregor and Hank McGregor. It was Peter Jumper. Now they are racing for the medals. Now they are racing for the goal. And it's Hank McGregor. It's Hank McGregor. And it's Peter Jumper. And it's Nate Petrovic. And it's Hank McGregor that is controlling this. It's Hank McGregor. South Africa. Hank McGregor that will win this gold medal. I'm quite convinced in there on that. Hank McGregor, South Africa, is the world champion marathon 2011. Hank McGregor, South Africa. Oh, what a race! What a fantastic race! Jim, will you comment a little bit on it? Listen, I will run for an interview.